Are you ready to take your iMac to the next level? Introducing the OWC 1.0TB SSD Upgrade Bundle, designed to turbocharge your 2012 to 2019 27-inch iMac with blazing speed and reliability. Say goodbye to sluggish loading times and hello to lightning-fast performance. With a whopping 1000 gigabytes of usable capacity and sequential read-write speeds of up to 540 MB/s and 500 MB/s respectively, this SSD upgrade will revolutionize your computing experience. Whether you're editing videos, running demanding applications, or simply multitasking like a pro, the OWC SSD delivers unparalleled responsiveness and efficiency. Installation is a breeze thanks to the comprehensive DIY kit included with the bundle. Equipped with everything from a drive converter bracket to inline digital thermal sensor cable, along with handy installation tools and step-by-step instructions, even novice users can upgrade their iMac with confidence. But it's not just about speed. The OWC SSD is also backed by a 3-year OWC limited warranty, ensuring peace of mind and reliability for years to come. Plus, with free DIY install videos and expert support, help is always just a click away. Upgrade your iMac today and unlock its full potential with the OWC 1.0TB SSD Upgrade Bundle. Capture, create, elevate your workflow to new heights. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.